This is Dr. Robert Hitt, Director of the Chesapeake Planetarium. I'd like to talk to you for a moment about the upcoming solar eclipse. It's an interesting cosmic event to watch, but everyone needs to understand that viewing a solar eclipse must be done in a safe method. Our sun is always too bright to view directly. The solar eclipse does not make the sun any more dangerous than any other day, but human curiosity makes people want to stare at the sun. A solar eclipse will occur over tidewater on April the 8th, 2024. Do not look directly at the sun. The sun produces a tremendous amount of bright light and harmful energy that can seriously damage or destroy your vision. There are safe ways to observe this event, and I'll cover them in this video. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon lines up between the Earth and the sun, and the moon appears to pass across the sun's face. The moon passes between the Earth and the sun every month and is listed as new moon, but the moon does not always line up directly in front of the sun. The moon's orbit is tilted, and sometimes the moon may be above or below the sun's image. On April the 8th, 2024, the moon will cross the sun's face and a solar eclipse will occur. In some parts of the United States, the eclipse will be a total solar eclipse. This is called the path of totality, and viewers in the path of totality will see a total solar eclipse. In a total solar eclipse, the sun's light will be blocked totally by the moon, and the sky will get dark enough to see stars and planets. A total solar eclipse is spectacular. The sun's outer gases can be observed stretching millions of miles into space. It's called the corona. Brilliant red prominences can often be seen near the sun's photosphere. These red prominences are larger than Earth. Because the moon is moving in its orbit around the Earth, the totality part of the eclipse will only last a few minutes to a few seconds. Here in Tidewater, the eclipse will be a partial solar eclipse, and the moon will only cover part of the sun. It is interesting to observe all the shadows on this day. Any small spot of sunlight will turn into a crescent shape. For example, any holes in a straw hat, or even the center hole in a cracker held at a distance above the sidewalk, will show crescent-shaped images of the sun. It will take the moon over 2 hours to move across the sun's face. For this eclipse, the moon will cover over 80% of the sun. Remember, do not look directly at the sun. There are safe ways to view this eclipse. Number 1, use solar eclipse glasses. These solar eclipse glasses are engineered to block all the sun's harmful energy and have filters to allow you to view the sun safely. Make sure the solar glasses are not damaged and have no holes in the filters. If you have a pair of these glasses, you can share them with your friends to allow them to take a look at the eclipse. If you're using solar glasses, you should also look occasionally. Do not stare at the sun. As a friend of mine once said, look a little, remember a lot. Safe method number 2. Using a piece of cardboard, cut a hole in the center about the size of a quarter. Cover this hole with a piece of aluminum foil and punch a very small hole in the center of the foil. You're not going to be looking through that hole. The pinhole will act like a lens to focus the sun's image on a piece of white paper held several inches below the pinhole. Moving the cardboard up and down, adjusting the space between the two, will help focus the sun's image on the white paper. The image will be small, slightly larger than a pencil eraser, but you should see a small round sun with the moon appearing to take a bite out of the sun's image. Do not make the pinhole bigger. That will not work. The hole must be small to act like a lens. Safe method number 3. The eclipse will be broadcast on some TV stations. Check the YouTube channel for a live view of the solar eclipse. Safe method 4. See if the local astronomy clubs are having a solar eclipse watch in your area. They have telescopes equipped with safe solar filters for viewing the sun. Remember, do not look directly at the sun. I hope everyone has a clear sky on the eclipse day, and we all get to see this wonderful cosmic event, a solar eclipse.